very good people from Top-Conquerors and new people who are coming to this beautiful channel. I am Fernando Sanchez. This time I come with a video tutorial on how to download games for PC totally free. Well, it is a very special occasion because more than anything we are here on the official Top-Conquerors page. I do this in order to show you that on our official page you can also get totally free games, although there are also paid games. But if you want to delve into the world of what multiplayer is, there are very good games like Battle of Superhand, LB Beta and Rise of the Gogo. Well, I'm going to leave you this link. Well, it's also in the description of the channel link. This is the Top-Conquerors page and you can see that there's a lot of news. There are a lot of interesting publications that I also recommend, and we begin. You can log in or register to receive all the news that is on the page and others. With this we see that the store is here and here is the video game that we are going to talk about. I tell you that it is also among the most viewed. As well, you can also check everything that is on this page, and what we are interested in is how to download totally free video games for PC. At this moment we go to the option where it says video games. We see that there are 13 video games and you choose to download. What is that? Some are paid, but what we are interested in is free. We have Battle of Superhand, LB Beta and Rise of the Gogo. You can install it on your computer. You download it. For example, we open a game and it shows you everything it has. There is a little advertising, but it's not a problem. We close the advertising and you can play online. There is a trailer of the game and it explains what the game has and the requirements. You saw that there are very few to download, some samples of the game, and you can also download its version in English. Also from the community in Discord they have the games and so on. It's a pretty interesting game to get it through Top-Conquerors. We can get a lot of it that are very good. It weighs almost nothing. I think it doesn't reach 500 megabytes, very few, and it's worth it. But here we see a trailer for the video game. We have to show you the video game based on the book Claudio Gago and His Reign. It's interesting. You can download it and join the community's Discord. And then you can play online. It's good, it's very interesting, and there's more here too. Gameplays, you can play them on your Android phone with a Windows emulator. This I think you can check the previous video that I have uploaded how to play these games on your phone Android device. So without further ado I say goodbye until the next video. My name was Fernando Sanchez and here I leave you this guide on how to download games totally free for PC. See you until the next video. See you.